This is a rare BMW E39 520i and I bought this car for 800 euros in order to flip it for a profit. But there is a catch. Last time this car saw a road was probably 6 years ago because inspection was due in 2017. But that's not all. The car has some major issues. I think the car sat in the field for all these years. That car is the biggest risk I ever took in my whole life. I really don't know whether I'm able to get the car on the road again or not. The tip of the iceberg is
The engine won't start. The pre-owner said that the fuel pump is broken.
And he's right, the fuel pump is broken.
So I bought a new fuel pump and we will see whether it's running or not.
But am I even able to get the car running again, let alone sell the car for profit? But before we try to start the car, I'm gonna tell you exactly why this car is so rare. This is a BMW E39 520i built in 1999. But the color combination makes the car quite unusual. The color is called Glacier Green Metallic and it has a green interior. With fresh inspection, this car can easily sell for about 3,500 euros. Okay, please start the car now. But nothing, except cooling fluid that found its way out. Luckily I found a spare part which had the screw I needed. Time for the second try. But again, nothing. I was disappointed. I didn't know what I'm going to do now. After doing some research, I thought maybe the crankshaft sensor is broken. But still, no luck. I was so frustrated that I almost gave up and decided to sell the car for parts. But I wasn't ready to give up just yet. An engine needs air, fuel, spark and compression. The engine has spark, but these spark plugs are bone dry. Eventually I thought the issue might be with the injectors, but there's a little issue. I don't know how to use a multimeter and test them, so I had to learn it. After checking the resistance and putting current on them, I discovered that they weren't clicking, so this could be the issue.
Since I couldn't get my engine to run properly, I bought myself another engine.
So I decided to take the injectors from the new engine and put them in my car. And guess what? They worked. My car is finally running after all these attempts. Now it was time to fix the exhaust leak. I'm so glad that the engine runs now, but there's still a lot to do. I'm dancing like an ape and we found some deadly damage.